Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Amazon Prime account. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon Prime's official website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. After you click on this profile icon at the top right corner, you'll see multiple options. You can also see a sign out option there. Simply click on it. Now, as you can see, I have successfully signed out of my Amazon Prime account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.